I missed two India charts updates this month due to some very personal events, people in my life, but then that's behind me. The last video update I spoke about trends especially related to the dollar index, and some of these trends have matured, so I wanted to really update and highlight what's been happening here. We are in fact sitting at a very similar situation that we were when the last update happened. That is, after an initial drop, the index, the Sensex, had actually retraced 61% close to the budget, and from there wave C down was to start, and that's exactly what I was looking at. Even today, we are looking at a similar situation. Over the last 2 weeks, we've seen the index dip, and from around 14,700 it's pulled back upwards, retracing 61%, and that brings us to an important Fibonacci retracement. My thoughts are probably wave C down starts from very close here, which means if you don't cross 15,600, you're starting wave C down. The other important part, which I said, this is not just this trend down is not just related to Indian equities, but it would be very global in the sense that we would see an across asset class decline. What has happened since my last video update is, while then I was expecting the dollar to turn around after an initial rise, it did make a dip to a new low, but that low seems to be the final bottom. At least for now, it looks like having simply fallen below the 61% long-term retracement and then gone back above it. And having done that, it's actually given a buy signal on the short-term indicators, and we can see that not just on the dollar index but also on the Indian rupee, and both of them over the last 2 weeks have engulfing bull patterns. So I think somewhere the dollar is clearly turned around and going to be rising against most currencies, and the impact of that would be seen in the form of weakening commodity prices. We've already seen since the June high, after an initial drop, even though commodity prices bounced back, most of them, especially gold and silver and crude, have not really gone beyond the highs made in June. Probably only copper has, which may be an odd case, but that's what we've seen. And I think that's likely to now spread to equities as the dollar turns, that you'll see most equities also start to drop. In case there's a divergence between these two groups, I would like to spot it somewhere down the line, but my feel is that once you start seeing a strengthening dollar trend, you're going to get an across asset class decline around the world as we enter another phase of the deflationary environment. So the dollar index is going to remain key in terms of what the trends are going to be, and in terms of Sensex, like I said, we will retrace 61%, and unless that is surpassed, we should be looking at some downside, at least in the short term. That's all from me. Thanks and bye.